A 30-year mortgage should be considered usury or theft if the lender didn't show you the true cost of your loan before you signed. You should have been told about mortgage acceleration. At truthandequity.com, you will learn about our proprietary strategy we call credit line banking. When we introduced this method of rapid mortgage payoff back in 2006, we shocked the industry. Many copycat out-of-work brokers and other financial services picked up on this method, and you will hear things like replace your mortgage or accelerated strategies or velocity banking. The greatest difference between us and the copycats is this: we don't require a refinance in most cases. You can accelerate your current 30-year mortgage, and if you are considering a new purchase, credit line banking will work for a purchase loan. There is no need to refinance if you have a 30-year mortgage that you have an established payment history. Setting up your mortgage correctly from the onset will save you tens of thousands and 20+ years of payments. A professional blend loan will accelerate just as quickly, and in some cases, quicker than a first lien HELOC. You can run your specific lending scenario at our website, truthandequity.com. It's simple math. If you want help understanding how you can achieve an accelerated mortgage payoff using our proprietary professional blend, go to our website and enter your scenario. You will receive an immediate performance analysis, and you can schedule a call with a forensic financial strategist who will help you achieve the results and guide you every step of the way. If you're serious about learning how to pay off your mortgage in 5 to 7 years without refinancing or any complicated financial changes, go to truthandequity.com, run your own numbers, and schedule a time to speak with us. You'll be glad you did.